How to change a one-piece stoma pouching system. Wash your hands before preparing the required items. Spray the adhesive remover and gently peel the adhesive base plate, starting from the top to prevent spillage. Use wet wipes to clean fecal matter, body fluids or adhesive stains on the skin. If you see traces of blood, do not panic. Use a paper towel to dab the surrounding skin dry. Inspect the stoma and surrounding skin. Look out for any skin changes such as redness or skin irritation. Apply a small amount of stoma powder to the surrounding skin. Gently brush away any excess powder. Use the skin barrier spray on surrounding skin and let it dry. Draw an arrow to indicate the orientation and position of the stoma. Then, trace the size and the shape of the stoma onto the transparent plastic sheet. Cut outside the trace line to create the template. Gently place the template over the stoma to ensure correct fit. Flip the template sheet over and trace the exact size of the stoma onto the back of the drainable pouch. Please ensure the front and back of the pouch are separated to avoid cutting through the pouch. Smoothen edges of the cut pouch with your finger. Apply the ostomy seal, moldable ring to the skin around the stoma. Mold and stretch the ring to the desired size, fit it snugly around the stoma. Remove the drainable pouch backing. Align stoma back towards the direction for easy drainage. Apply gentle pressure with your hands. Run your fingers all the way around the stoma to ensure it is sealed well. Remember to close the outlet of the drainable pouch. Place your palm over the base plate for 10 to 15 minutes after changing for better adhesion. Here are some tips on how to take care of your stoma bag. The colorectal nurse will also review your stoma and guide you through your stoma care journey.